Have you ever wondered whether you have the power to manifest for someone else, to help someone else shift or change their vibration? Well, the answer is coming up in this important video. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today, we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Reminding you to be sure and click the bell icon, subscribe to our channel because we're here 5 days a week to empower your life with the law of attraction, personal empowerment, ancient wisdom, and of course, the latest in the mind sciences. So people oftentimes will ask me, can I help someone else? Can I use the power of the law of attraction to help someone else? And the answer is yes. Now, I can just hear all of the law of attraction gurus out there just pounding their chest going, no, 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 no. But the answer is yes, high flyers. You can. You do have that power. You see, you're not just here as a little microbe on this planet. You are a co-creator of your reality. And so let's understand the nature of reality as the ancients taught it. The nature of reality is that everything in your reality, other people, other things, is part of your microcosm. It's what they call the microprosopis. It's your microcosm. It's part of you. And if it's part of you, you have the ability to change it. Now, everything outside of your microcosm is part of the macrocosm. Now, here's the interesting thing about this whole concept. And you really need to kind of get your mind wrapped around it to understand how you can help other people. So listen to this. If I'm looking at Rachel over there, she's directing this right now. If I'm looking at Rachel, is she part of my macrocosm or a part of my microcosm? I'm experiencing her with my 5 senses. If I don't have these 5 senses, I don't experience her at all. She doesn't exist in my reality. She only exists because I experience her within my microcosm. Now that's very important. That literally means that we really do not know what the macrocosm is or what it looks like at all. Because everything that we experience in reality is a part of our own belief system, our own perceptions. So understand this. This is important. If there is something going on within my microprosopis, my microcosm, that I don't like, that I believe would benefit with change using the law of attraction, then I have the power, yes, and I have the right to change it because it's part of me. It's part of my reality. And I have the power to change anything within my reality. You've got to grasp that because that's huge. That's major to really understanding how the law of attraction works. Everybody is so focused on, well, I got to do this, or I got to do that, or I got to say these words, or I got to do that. Those are just tools. This is really, really how the law of attraction works. Your microcosm is your reality. You shift your reality by shifting your vibration, by shifting your beliefs, by shifting your intentions and your goals. Let's take a look at prayer, for example. When you pray, not in a state of want, not in a state of need, but in a state of gratitude. You pray in present tense. Then guess what? Your free will, or the free will of another person, and your intention, and the intention of another person, somehow can both coexist at the same time. Your shifting of your beliefs about another person can shift their behavior and how they act. It's not taking away their free will, because you're only changing them within you, within your microcosm. So we know from science and from social science that we could take a classroom of average students, C students, but we tell the teacher that these are exceptional students, that these are proteges, and they are to be pushed because their brains can handle it. And guess what? These children, these C students, rise to the occasion. Why do they rise to the occasion? Because the teacher believed that they were worthy of it. By the same token, we take children that are extremely bright, who have great grades, and we put them in a classroom, and we tell the teacher, these children tend to struggle. They tend to just be average students. Do the best you can. And guess what? Their grades go down. Their performance go down. High flyers, what you believe about yourself is what you become. What you believe about another person is what they become. You want to help someone? You want to pray for someone? You have that power, and you have the power to help them manifest their dreams and goals as well. So high flyers, here's something else to keep in mind. This is a shocker. I mean, this is a huge shocker. You have the ability, you have the power as a manifester to influence the subconscious mind of another person. You know, another person may have limiting beliefs. Let's say that you have a son that is applying for a scholarship, but he doesn't believe he's worthy. He doesn't believe he's going to get it. He has limiting beliefs. Your beliefs, your intense beliefs, and absolute certainty, high flyers, that he has already received the scholarship. Not going to get it, already received it. It's already his. It's in the bag. It's already manifested. Helps to shift the limiting beliefs in his subconscious mind and open the doorway to that scholarship. In other words, you are helping to manifest for him. And of course, you can use this with your relationship. You can use this in business. You can use this in every part of your life. It's very, very important. So high flyers, one of the key aspects to this is absolute certainty, total knowingness, and then having clear intentions about what you are doing to help the other person, raising your vibration to the level of receiving, very, very important, and then visualizing the outcome as if it is already fulfilled and emotionalizing it, getting excited about it for the other person. Now, if you don't believe that this works, I've helped several people get off of alcohol. How did I do it? I saw them as sober. I had an uncle who was an incredible person and a huge influence in my life, but he developed a tremendous drinking problem, huge, massive drinking problem. He went to every program under the sun, and nothing seemed to help until I began to visualize daily, seeing this man get better, seeing this man turn into a sober person again. The one that I knew, the one that I loved, the one that I respected. I went back to his childhood, and I went through that experience with him. I went through his experience as a young man, and then I went through his present experience, and I began to shift his present experience because I saw clearly, absolute certainty that he was sober, that he had no desire for drinking whatsoever. Now, this is just an example, one example of helping someone who has a drinking problem, but it can be anything. You have the ability to affect all the people, everything within your life, within your microcosm. Remember, you are a co-creator of your reality. What about healing long distance? What about healing in general? You know, it's an amazing thing when you just simply focus your intention on someone receiving healing. Healing of their marriage. Healing of their heart. Healing of their body. Healing of their mind. Healing of their soul. And so, one of the things that we do in miracle mentoring and alchemy life coaching is we focus on bringing healing to your business, healing to your career, healing to your relationship. And it's amazing because the work that I don't have negative or limiting beliefs about your relationship or about your business or about your career. You might have some, but I have none. So when I begin working for you, miracles begin to happen in an incredible way. It's not that I'm anything special, it's that I'm absolutely certain that you deserve what you desire. Anyway, that's how it works. You have the power to help others. You have the power to help others manifest their deepest desires and dreams, and at the same time, manifest yours as well. Hey, listen, if you need help, be sure and write us at lawofattractionsolutions@gmail.com. Send us a letter, and always, always, always include your phone number. We love you. Have a great day because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye.